Alright guys, the HP OmniBook 5 is here. And honestly, this thing might just be borderline revolutionary. And I know revolutionary isn't a word we casually throw at laptops, but trust me, once you hear what this budget Windows machine can do, you might never look at Intel or AMD the same way again. If you're planning to buy a laptop in the next 6-12 months, you need to see this, because the OmniBook 5 is changing the game. Unboxing and first impressions. Inside the box, it's straightforward. Documentation, a compact 65-watt charger, and the laptop itself. Oh, and yes, you can even charge it with your phone charger. First feel, it's light, just 1.3 kilograms. Thin, portable, travel-friendly, definitely ticking the portability box. Design and build. HP's gone with recycled aluminum on top and a high-quality plastic base that actually looks like metal. Speakers, front-facing, not side. Smart move for better sound projection. Ports are minimal. Left side has 2 USB-C, 10GB P6. DisplayPort 1.4a. Right side has 1 USB-A and a 3.5mm jack. No SD card slot here, so content creators, take note. Display magic. Now, this is where my jaw dropped. A 14-inch 2K OLED display with 90% plus screen-to-body ratio, ultra-thin bezels, and pitch-black blacks. 300 nits brightness, razor-sharp colors, and HDR support for Netflix and Prime Video. Honestly, this feels like watching content on a premium iPad or high-end tablet, but on a $70K laptop. Keyboard and trackpad, big, smooth trackpad, well-spaced keys with satisfying travel. Typing and navigation, no complaints, feels premium. Performance and battery. The Snapdragon X factor. Under the hood is where the magic happens. Qualcomm's Snapdragon X chip. Built on 4nm ARM architecture paired with LPDDR5X RAM, 16GB, and blazing fast Gen 4 SSD storage. HP claims up to 34 hours of battery life, and while real-world usage gave me around 20 to 24 hours, that's still insane. Standby drain, just 4 to 5% overnight. And here's the best part. Peak performance, whether plugged in or on battery. No throttling, this is unheard of in budget laptops. AI powerhouse. Snapdragon X brings a dedicated NPU with 45 TOPS, meaning AI features are not just fast, they run on device, even without internet. Think recall. Go back to anything you did days ago, like your laptop's personal time machine. Live captions. Watch content in any language, get instant English captions. AI in Paint. Describe what you want, it generates the image. Background eraser and photo enhancement. Smartphone-level photo tools built into your laptop. Chat multimedia and connectivity. Front-facing speakers for loud, clear sound. HDR streaming support. Wi-Fi 6E plus Bluetooth 5.3. Full HD webcam with privacy shutter. IR camera for Windows Hello Face Unlock. And yes, fast charging, 30 minutes full day's use. Verdict. Snapdragon laptops used to cost 1.52 lakhs. The OmniBook 5 brings that performance, efficiency, and AI power to the 60 to 70K range. Ultra portable OLED 2K display, insane battery life, on-device AI. For students, professionals, or anyone who wants a future-ready laptop, this might just be the one to beat. So HP OmniBook 5, future of budget laptops or just hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that subscribe for more all-around tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and keep tracking tech.